Picture this. It's a Friday night and you are absolutely craving those legendary fresh-baked Texas Roadhouse rolls with the cinnamon butter. You know the ones. Maybe a hand-cut steak to go right along with it? Suddenly you remember you've got a gift card sitting right there in your wallet, but you really just want to order from the comfort of your couch. Can you actually do it? Well, welcome to today's Explainer. Our goal today is to help you confidently master online gift card redemption for Texas Roadhouse. We're going to take you from a complete beginner to a total pro, ensuring you never miss out on a delicious meal just because of some checkout confusion. Let's get into it. Okay, let's dive right into this because we have to address the elephant in the room. If you flip your physical card over, or if you happen to read the rules on certain third-party websites, you might see some pretty alarming text telling you that your gift card is strictly for in-store use only. It leaves a lot of people wondering if their digital dinner dreams are totally crushed before they even begin. So what is the actual truth here? To answer that, we have to look at the exact discrepancy highlighted in our technical analysis. On one side, you've got this outdated third-party fine print that bluntly states, "Not valid for internet purchases." But on the flip side, the modern reality of the official Texas Roadhouse infrastructure tells a completely different story. Their first-party digital channels, meaning the official Texas Roadhouse app and their web-to-go checkout, are absolutely built to accept your gift card as a valid payment method. We are officially busting the myth that these cards are in-store only, and we're going to show you exactly how to bypass all that confusion. So here is our roadmap for today's masterclass. First, understanding your gift card. Second, preparing for redemption. Third, the online redemption process. Fourth, troubleshooting common issues. And finally, number 5, maximizing your gift card. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, understanding your gift card. Because before we spend it, we really need to know exactly what we're working with. Your gift card is essentially a cash equivalent for the Texas Roadhouse ecosystem. It's available in physical plastic or digital e-gift formats, and it's usually loaded with anywhere from $5 to $100. But here's a fantastic hidden feature directly from our sources. Your card doesn't just work at Texas Roadhouse. It is actually valid across their entire brand portfolio. That means you can use the exact same card at Bubba's 33 and Jagger's locations too. Plus, these cards literally never expire, and they carry 0 hidden fees. No activation charges, no dormancy fees, none of that nonsense. Moving right along to Section 2, preparing for redemption. You never, ever want to get to the checkout screen and realize your card is completely empty, so let's get you fully prepped. So the crucial point here is you need 2 very specific sets of numbers to make any of this work. Whether you have a physical card or an e-gift card sitting in your email, you are looking for a 19-digit card number and a 4-digit PIN. If you are holding a physical card in your hand, you'll need to gently scratch off that protective panel on the back to reveal the PIN. Just a quick word of advice, be careful not to use a tool that's so sharp you actually carve right through the numbers beneath it. Once you have your 19 and 4, checking your balance online is completely foolproof. Just head directly to texasroadhouse.com/giftcards and hunt down the Check Your Balance button. A quick little window will pop up asking for those exact digits. Pop them in, hit submit, and boom. You instantly know your spending power. I can't stress this enough. Knowing this number before you start building your massive food order is the ultimate pro tip to avoid any nasty checkout surprises. Now, if you're not near a computer, no problem at all. You can easily do this over the phone by calling their customer support or the balance inquiry line. Just follow the automated voice prompts, key in your details, and you're good to go. It's quick, it's easy, and it ensures you have all the facts before you even start looking at the menu. Okay, time for the main event. Section 3, the step-by-step online redemption process. This is where we actually execute the digital order. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why ignoring that third-party fine print is the right move. The official technical architecture of Texas Roadhouse's own platforms features dedicated, highly functional fields specifically built to take your gift card. It's not a hack. As long as you stay within their official ecosystem, you are fully supported. So here is your execution plan. Start by opening the official app or website and load up your cart with all those steaks and sides. When you proceed to the checkout screen and it asks how you want to pay, specifically hunt down the gift card option. You might actually find this tucked into your digital wallet or account tab, depending on the app version. Finally, type in your 19-digit number and 4-digit PIN. But listen closely, be incredibly careful not to include any spaces or dashes when you type it in. Hit apply, and watch that total magically drop. But what if it doesn't work perfectly the very first time? Welcome to Section 4, Troubleshooting Common Issues. We all know tech glitches happen, so let's look at the data to solve them. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how incredibly easy these are to fix. Getting an incorrect PIN error? Double check that you didn't accidentally type a space or a dash between the numbers. The system literally just wants the raw digits. Now, if you try and fail a few too many times, you might trigger an IP lockout. Basically, the system thinks you're a robot. To fix that, just clear your browser cookies, switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data, or simply wait 24 hours. And if you are waiting on an e-gift card that never arrived, search your email spam folder for anything from CashStar because they are the automated system that officially issues the digital cards. There are also a couple of tricky edge cases to be aware of. What if you just bought a brand new card, but the balance check says 0? Well, if you purchased it through a grocery store pickup order, like at Kroger, for example, the card often requires manual activation online at the grocery store-specific activation website before it actually works. And what if you bought your card secondhand at a steep discount? If that balance is 0, unfortunately, you have to take that dispute up directly with the reseller platform. Texas Roadhouse cannot guarantee or protect balances sold through unofficial secondhand channels. Let's wrap things up with Section 5. Maximizing your gift card experience. Here are the evergreen pro tips you absolutely need to get the most value out of your card. First up, split payments. If your massive family meal costs $60 and you only have $50 on the card, that is perfectly fine. The system will take the $50 and then just ask you for a secondary payment method, like a regular credit card, to cover that remaining $10. Conversely, if you only spend $30 of a $50 card, the remaining $20 safely lives on the card for your next visit. Another massive tip, and people get this wrong all the time. Do not try to use these cards on third-party delivery apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats. They absolutely will not work. You must order directly through Texas Roadhouse. Finally, for really large orders, Texas Roadhouse integrates with Sezzle, which is a buy now, pay later app. You can actually use your gift card, and then if you still owe a large balance, finance the rest into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks using Sezzle. How cool is that? Let's move to a quick recap and see how this all builds together. You now know to confidently ignore the confusing fine print that claims these are for in-store use only. You know to check your balance online using your 19-digit number and 4-digit PIN before you order. You know to place your order exclusively through the official Texas Roadhouse website or T-Go app, and you know exactly how to type in your digits without spaces to avoid any annoying errors. You've officially graduated from the masterclass. So the only question left for us today is, are you ready to go order those famous rolls? Now that you have the knowledge to seamlessly redeem your gift card online, we really want to hear from you. Drop your success stories or, hey, just tell us what you ended up ordering down in the comments below. And as always, please remember that corporate policies and digital systems can update over time. So if you ever run into a snag, just be sure to verify the latest details directly with official Texas Roadhouse resources or their customer support. Happy dining, and we'll catch you in the next explainer.